the LG B20 user here, and today I'm doing a video on the LG Stylo 4 for Xfinity Mobile, guys. So Xfinity Mobile now has the LG Stylo 4, and you guys will notice one thing right there on the screen. You guys will notice that it only has 16 gigabytes of storage on this one, like the straight talk version. And that is very disappointing. The specs are pretty much the same thing like every other Stylo 4 out there. It has 2 gigabytes of RAM, Android Oreo, 3300 mAh battery, fingerprint sensor, 6.2 inch display, no fast charging, no NFC. Xfinity Mobile is asking for $239.99 for this phone, and I say don't get this phone from Xfinity Mobile. Don't get it. Don't get the straight talk version either. They're asking for $200 for that. You're better off just getting a Stylo 4 Plus and bring it into straight talk or whatever. I don't know if you can bring a Stylo 4 Plus to Xfinity Mobile. I'm not sure. I suggest you guys ask before you guys think about doing that. So the specs are pretty much the same thing like it is on every other Stylo 4, like I said, but the RAM is 2 gigabytes. The ROM is split in half to 16 gigs. No fast charging, no NFC, but other than that, everything else is pretty much the same. It's available in black, and this is just very disappointing. It's not worth 240 fucking bucks. It's not worth it. I don't care. I don't know what the fuck LG's problem is making these different variations of the same goddamn phone. Like, they do this shit every year, and Straight Talk always gets a watered down version of every fucking phone. They didn't Straight Talk didn't fucking Straight Talk didn't water down the Stylo 3. They didn't do it. They watered down the Stylo 2, but they didn't do it on the Stylo 3. But I mean, Straight Talk and Xfinity Mobile, man, like, no one ain't gonna buy your Stylo 4. No one ain't gonna buy that shit, cause they can go to like fucking Cricket and get the Stylo 4 for $230 with 3 gigabytes of RAM. Go to fucking Boost and get the Stylo 4 for $129 at Walmart, or $200 at Boost Mobile. Which, if you guys can get a Boost Mobile Stylo 4, get it at Walmart for $130. Let your PCS get theirs for $180 with NFC, fast charging, and stuff like that. So you can get the Stylo 4 for cheaper, depending on what carrier that you guys get it from. So I'm telling you guys, stay away from the Stylo 4 on Xfinity Mobile. They want $240 for it, and it's not worth it, considering that you're only getting 16 gigabytes of storage. So they did what Straight Talk did with the Stylo 4. So this is just very disappointing, and I'm very disappointed in LG because they keep making different variations of the same They keep making different variations of the same damn phone every fucking year, especially the Stylo series, man. They're fucking notorious for making different versions of the Stylos, man. So it's ridiculous. So I said to you guys, don't buy the Stylo 4 on Xfinity Mobile. Don't buy it. Stay away from it. Stay away from the Stylo 4 and Straight Talk. I mean, $240 for a Stylo 4 with 16 gigabytes of storage. No thanks, man. No thanks. So yeah, stay away from the Stylo 4 on Xfinity Mobile and Straight Talk. So yeah, this is very disappointing, guys. But yeah, this is just very disappointing. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It really helps me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.